This is Taylor from Zwanger-Pesiri Radiology. Welcome to our new Sayville office. We are conveniently located on the South Service Road of Sunrise Highway between Sunrise Plaza and the bowling alley. If you are heading east, it is exit 50 on the South Service Road. If you are heading west, it is also exit 50. Make a left at the light on Lincoln, then hop back on the South Service Road heading east. We proudly provide the latest in diagnostic imaging with 3T MRI, CT, 3D mammography, ultrasound, and DEXA. So give us a call or schedule your next appointment online at zprad.com. Stay safe and stay healthy.